Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Kabir, and I'm working as English lecturer in the Department of Social and Allied Sciences in Cholistan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bahawalpur. And the topic which I have chosen for my presentation is the role of AI in personalized learning for second language acquisition. We all are aware of AI's role in today's world, and we know how it has revolutionized every field of our lives. It is transforming, enhancing efficiency through automation, personalizing experiences in areas like entertainment and healthcare, and improving decision making by analyzing large data sets. And key applications of AI include personalized digital assistants, advanced healthcare diagnostic, autonomous vehicles, and cybersecurity solutions. Today, I'm going to discuss its role in personalized learning for second language acquisition. Um, Now, let's move to the definition of artificial intelligence. It is a scientific field that involves creating machines and computers that can learn, reason, and act in ways that would normally require human intelligence. So we know that it is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform a variety of advanced functions that up till now only human beings could perform, like the ability to see, understand, translate spoken and written language, analyze data, make recommendations, and much more. So even in medicine, agriculture, production, wherever we see, AI is playing its role now. In Pakistan, if we see, there is PKLI in Lahore, where surgeries are being performed through robotics. So, uh, with the passage of time, we all are moving towards AI. And personalized learning is an educational approach that aims to tailor curriculum and teaching methods to meet the unique needs, interests, and aspirations of each student. We know that each student is an individual in his or her own way. Everyone has different intelligence level, different caliber. So, uh, obviously, we cannot teach all of them at the same level, but unfortunately, that is the scenario, especially in Pakistan. We are just teaching in classes and all the students have to attend the same class. But if personalized learning is adopted, that problem can be solved to a great extent because many students who are slow learners, they cannot keep pace with the quick learners. And obviously they feel shy in the classrooms in asking questions because quick learners grasp those concepts much quickly. So if personalized learning is adopted, they can uh, adjust their pace, they can adjust their curriculum, their teaching methods according to their own needs. And obviously that develops their confidence, competence, and they become much more independent. Now we come to the benefits of AI in personalized learning. So first is intelligent tutoring systems, where we can adjust the pace of the student, the methodology, the curriculum according to the student's needs. Then we have automated grading and assessment, where students can be assessed through AI tools that can be through true false or MCQs. That saves a teacher's time, that grading can be done much quickly. Plus, uh, it that grading done through AI is much fair, as teachers' prejudice or favoritism cannot be involved. Then we come to, unfortunately, that is the case at some places, at some instances, when the teacher is checking, his could be uh, favoritism could be there, but AI tools solve that problem. Then we have chatbots and virtual assistants. We are who are acting as tutors 24/7. Even if a student faces any problem during the middle of night, he can consult chatbots and virtual assistants, and he can get immediately get the answer which he needs. So they are uh, there for the students 24/7. Then we have curriculum planning, and AI is playing its role as AI tools can generate diverse educational materials that include lessons, quizzes, images, and multimedia, and that saves educators significant time and effort. Then we have learning analytics, and which uses AI to analyze educational data, and they provide insights to personalize learning, predict students' outcomes, and then obviously it improves teaching. Then AI tools can recommend content based on students' performance. Even they can recommend websites which students should be using, which would be useful for them for their progress. So AI is playing a role, a real beneficial role in personalized learning. Then we come to Education 4.0. Education 4.0 is a transformative approach to education, and it represents a dynamic response to the demands of the fourth industrial revolution. Now, fourth industrial revolution refers to the ongoing technological transformation that is characterized by the fusion of physical, digital, and biological worlds. And it involves all these advancements in artificial intelligence, like robotics, 3D printing, genetic engineering, and other technologies. So, Education 4.0 is a dynamic response to that fourth industrial revolution. It emphasizes technology integration, personalized learning, and development of skills. Especially, it emphasizes that the students should be taught the skills necessary for success in this rapidly changing world. And it includes computer-based tests, e-learning, personalized learning, gamification, and artificial intelligence. Then we come to the role of AI in personalized learning, and the first one is adaptive learning platforms. So AI-powered platforms can adjust the content and delivery of lessons based on individual student performance, as we just discussed, that we can customize learning path, content, and exercises according to the level of students. So in this way, they can focus on their weak areas and progress at their own pace, and they can even AI-based platforms can generate personalized learning suggestions, tips, and materials according to the individual need of the students. And they can give feedback also, and that obviously improves learning outcomes. Then we have automatic speech recognition and pronunciation analysis tools that can analyze and assess learners' pronunciation, intonation, and fluency by using AI algorithms. And the benefit of these tools is that they provide instant feedback by comparing learners' speech pattern with that of native speakers. And many such apps offer visualization scores and suggestions to identify areas of improvement. We know that there are many students, especially those coming from rural background, they never got a chance to hear the correct pronunciation of words, as teachers mostly couldn't get the correct pronunciation themselves. So that is transferred to the student. And at this level, especially at university level, it doesn't look nice if a teacher corrects a student and he feels humiliated in front of the class. So these such apps solve that issue. And we have Elsa Speak, Speech Ace, and Pronunciation Power, which helps in correcting the pronunciation of students. Then we have intelligent tutoring system and virtual assistants that can interact with learners through text or speech. They can provide explanations, answer questions, and offer feedback on exercises or assignments. And they can also adapt teaching strategies based on learners' performance. We have Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri, which are virtual assistants. And Alex is the intelligent tutoring app, which is right now available for stats and maths. But we have other tutoring systems which can be used for learning English also. Then we have virtual immersion and cultural exposure. Immersive learning, language learning environments are provided to the students, and they can practice their language skills in realistic scenarios. Like they are made to engage with virtual characters or native speakers, text or voice-based conversations that significantly improves their listening and speaking skills. And that, on the other hand, it gives them authentic cultural experience also. It boosts long-term memory retention, fluency, and natural comprehension, providing constant exposure to the language in real-world contexts. So it also develops empathy and cultural appreciation among students. Example includes ChatGPT. Then we have language translation and language generation systems that utilize machine learning algorithms to automatically translate text or speech. And language generation system can generate coherent text also, sentences or paragraphs also in the given language. And language translation systems can translate any text given in any language. Like we have Google Translate, we can copy paste text or we can write text in any language, and with just one click we get its translation. So the purpose of these systems is not direct language learning, but they can be used to improve the students' understanding of grammar, vocabulary, and idiomatic expression. Then we have progress visualization. Students can visually see their learning progress and future learning routes through visual routes such as charts and progress bar. And this display of learning helps them set their short and long-term learning goals. And obviously, they can adjust the content and difficulty of syllabus based on individual student performance. If we open Khan Academy's website, we can see that each unit of students' books is represented by a grid of squares, where each square is an individual skill. And the color or icon on the square indicates your mastery level for that skill. For example, that can be familiar, proficient, mastered. Means as the student's proficiency improves, the color changes. So that tells them that where do they stand and how much progress is needed. And then AI has enabled improved access to remote areas by bridging the gap. We have online learning solutions in Pakistan. We have this in few areas, but we know that internet services are not that much reliable in Pakistan, but in Philippines, in rural areas, quality education is being given through internet. Even during COVID days, we resorted to Google Classrooms and Teams. In Pakistan also, we used such tools, such platforms. So AI has given a solution for giving access to remote areas, giving educational access to remote areas. Then we have gamification also, and it motivates users with points, rewards, and interactive lessons. And then there are innovative strategies for transforming education into an engaging experience. Obviously, Education turns into an enthusiastic experience when it is uh, gained with the help of games. So there are apps like Duolingo, which provide users with daily goal setting and progress tracking. And then teaching content is based on repeated exercises. So we can conclude that apps may have different functions and features, but in general, they are based on algorithms to analyze the performance and needs of learners. And they provide personalized learning content and recommendations to meet the needs of different learners. The So these apps are developing diversified learning content, interactivity, and real-time feedback to better help learners improve the effectiveness and efficiency of second language acquisition. Thank